Hello, greetings, one and all. Happy Talk About It Tuesday. It has been a while. Well, almost a month since I've done a Talk About It Tuesday. And you may remember me saying that my word for 2021 has been intentional, and it will be for the entire 2021. So I've been very intentional this month, and I waited specifically until this day so that I could come back and engage with you in a Talk About It Tuesday. I am now post verdict, as we are with the entire world. And I thank my global brothers and sisters for being watchmen with us in this process. And I specifically was intentional about being quiet and not so present like I am normally in social media with my podcast, because there are times where we need to pause. We just need to be still with ourselves, to be quiet with ourselves and our time, and be observant. And I am so grateful that I was intentional about doing that this month. But I did want to come on and say that I think we're very pleased with the verdict we've seen in the Chauvin case. As I said, 9 minutes and 29 seconds to murder our ancestor, George Floyd, in the street, who, above any other descriptor, was human, and 10 hours to give a verdict. I think that's pretty fair. Um, I also think that people still need to give themselves grace. Blacks are traumatized, not just in situations like with George Floyd, in overt ways, in daily ways. 400 plus years of trauma does not go away with a kumbaya song and people putting a Black Lives Matter sign in their yard. So just understand, we still gonna need a beat. Y'all need to still give us a beat, because there's still work that needs to be done. But remember, it ain't work that we need to do. It's work that you and your people need to do. And we encourage you to do that, because you must understand, life as any of us have ever known it will never exist again. There has been a shift. I think that if the pandemic has not shown us anything, there's been a shift, and time is up. Change is here. We're in the midst of it. So I just wanted to share that on this Talk About It Tuesday. And I just wanted to come in and check in with everybody and say, I hope that you're well. I hope that you're physically well, mentally well, spiritually well. And I know for me, again, I've been, what's my 2021 word? Intentional. So I was blessed to meet the owner and head energy force for Too Tall Flame Candles. And I really wanted to shout her out, because the work that she does with the beauty and the love and the intention that she places in the candles that she makes, based on the conversations and experiences that she has with people, to just kind of help promote self-healing, self-reflection, manifestation, and movement towards the goals that you want to accomplish in life, or just the things that you want for your journey. I admire her. So I just want to say shout out to Tall Flame Candles. I'm ready to unbox my candles. So I wanted to do that on this Talk About It Tuesday. And like I said, I was very intentional, because after we've just sat through many, many weeks, of a trial and this verdict, I could not think of a more appropriate time for me to open my candles. Now, let me tell you something. They are packed with care. Look at this. There are, what do you call these? Eggplants or popcorns, or I don't know. Comment in the thing if you know the name of those. I don't know what they're called. Cushion. They're called cushion, right? So I spoke with her about some very specific candles that I was looking for and in need of, right? And I've already kind of written out some intentions for myself in reference to my candles. Look at this. packed to perfection, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first time seeing my candle. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. This is about my business. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Look at this detail. And I know for a fact, I know exact because yes, oh my gosh, I love, love, love this. That was from our discussion about that. And then let me get some more of the eggplants out. And I'll show you guys the next one, which is also very safely wrapped. Yes. These are gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh, wait, I don't want to. I got eggplants, eggshells, eggplants everywhere. Is that what you call them? Eggplants? I told you I can't remember the name. Oh, and I got a personal note. I would read my note to you, but the notes are personal based on what it is each candle represents for us, and they are beautiful. The quartz, they're beautiful, right? So each candle is personal. So I'm intentional about keeping that to myself as well. But they're just gorgeous, and I'm really just really wanting to pay homage to some people. I was thinking about my dad a lot. My dad died when I was in high school, for those of you that may not remember. Oh, oh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's me. Ah, that's me. Okay. 2 tall flames candles. You nailed it, and I thank you. Guys, thanks for listening on this Talk About It Tuesday. Be good to yourself.